show you guys how I finessed this hair, honey. Okay. If you want to see how I style this hair, definitely keep on watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Instagram is literally where I keep you guys up to date on what I'm doing on my channel, hair wise. When I'm putting out content, I'm more active on Instagram, so definitely follow me on Instagram at Barbara Udense. Okay, honey, and just, you know, comment. Let's be friends, all right? Anyways, what else? I think that's it. Oh, I have all the details for this hair in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. If you want to buy it, the link is going to be there. I also will tell you guys all about the specs of this hair at the end of the video, so if you want to know more about the hair, how it feels, should you buy it, all that jazz, I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video, so definitely watch that as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave, and I'll let you guys watch this video now. So this is basically what my hair looks like. I braided it the night before, so it's a bit stretched. What I'm gonna do now is section out a little part of the front of my hair, and I'm doing that from ear to ear. Now that I have that section out, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of the hair in a low ponytail just to keep it out of the way for now. Then I'm going in with my Got2b glue gel, and I'm going to take a bit of this and put it at the front of my hair. The next thing, you want to go ahead with a brush to just brush the hair and put it in place. Then grab a shoelace, and that's just going to help you keep that front section in place while you do the rest of your hair. So now you want to go ahead and just tie it down so that the hair is laid flat. Usually, you know, when you put any kind of gel or edge control on your hair, especially when your hair is 4C like mine, you always have to tie it down if you want it to last long, okay? Perfect. So now I'm just going to braid the back of my hair, and I'm just doing literally simple straight back cornrows. So this is basically what the back of my hair looks like, and oh my god guys, my hair has grown. Like, what? I swear, when I saw this video I was so hyper. Damn. Anyway, so I'm going in with this net wig cap that I have. I'm just using that to put my hair in place so that it's not just all over the place underneath the clip-ins. This hair was sent to me by a company called Amazing Beauty Hair, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. It comes with extra clips, a comb, and a crocodile clip. This is what one bundle of the hair looks like, and this is the texture. I got 2 sets of the hair, so this is one set I'm showing you guys now. I ended up using all of the 2 sets. So for the clips, this is basically what they look like. To open it, you just push it from the back and you open it, and then to install it, you push that comb into your hair and just press it, and then it closes. So I'm basically just going to keep installing the hair until I get to the front. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like after I take out the scarf. As you can see, what's it called? Right here, you can still see the tracks. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to conceal it. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. This is like a week later. week after the first time I tried to put this hair on. So like a week after the previous clip. What's it called? I did not like how it turned out the first day. Like when I was done, there was just something about it. It was just boring. Yeah, so I decided to try it again today. I literally took these clip-ins out and I put them back in again like a few minutes ago. So I did the same steps, but I figured out a better way to hide the tracks. Alright, so that's what I'm going to show you guys. So I basically I just took some hair from the back and I twisted it on the two sides. So what I'm going to do now is take it over the, what's it called, the track that is showing. And now I've taken that like that. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin, just these regular bobby pins, and I'm going to pin it behind. You can actually take it and hook it underneath the wig cap that we put. It will be secure enough, but I want it to be more secure, so I'm just going to use a bobby pin to secure it at the back. And obviously I'm doing the same thing to the second side as well. So now this is basically what we have. It's hidden enough, I think, but I'm also going to try to secure the front just so that it doesn't like move back and forth. You get what I'm trying to say? So I'm taking a small black bobby pin just so that it will not be detectable, and I'm going to just do something right here and pin it down. Alright, so this is basically what I have after I've secured it. I think it looks nice like this. You can definitely go out like this, like leave it like this, and you'll be good. But I wanted to add something more, so I'm going to go ahead and actually try to curl this hair. I have two curling irons plugged in right now. I don't know what size of curl I want yet. So these are basically the two sizes of curling irons that I have. I'm going to try this one first, and then I'm going to try this one. What? So this is the difference basically. I have this one with the smaller curling iron, and this one is with the bigger curling iron. I think I want this one because I'm going to end up brushing these curls out. So I think this curls will still look like I did some work even after brushing it out. So I'm gonna go with the smaller curling iron. You won! Okay, so I'm basically done with my makeup, and this is what the curls look like. I'm gonna go ahead now and start what's it called, making this curls look better and fuller. So basically I'm going to start separating them gently, well, kind of gently. So this is the difference between the side that I've separated and the side that I have not separated. As you can see, hair is a lot bigger, and I really like how it looks. Like, wow, I'm actually very happy. But anyway, the key to making sure that your curls come out nice and when you're separating it, you don't have any problems, make sure you detangle your hair before you curl it. I already detangled the hair before like putting it on my hair, so I'll like comb through, I'll brush through, not comb through, brush through every clip in before I put it on my head. So everything was already pretty much detangled, and I just did a little bit more detangling while it was on my head before I started using the curling iron. Okay, so separating it is so fast, so easy. If you don't comb your hair, I mean brush your hair before putting before curling it, when you're separating it, you're probably going to end up fighting tangles, and when you try to loosen the tangled hair, next thing you know, the hair is straight because you're pulling it too much, right? So make sure that you completely detangle your hair before curling it. All right, so we're gonna keep going till I'm done. So yes guys, that's basically what I did to achieve this look. I absolutely love how it turned out compared to the first time. Oh my gosh, the first time was a disaster, not gonna lie. But anyways, I really like how this one turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know why my nose is freaking running like it keeps. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Anyways, back to topic. So this hair was sent to me by a company called Amazing Beauty Hair. As I said earlier, I'm going to have all the details for this hair in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. The hair that I received was the Afro Kinky Straight, I believe, right? Not Afro Kinky Straight, Kinky Straight, not Afro Kinky Straight. What is Afro Kinky Straight? Anyway, I got Kinky Straight, and I got this in the length 22 inches actually, and so it's pretty long. This is the curved length, obviously, but it's way longer. I don't want to stretch it because I don't want to mess up my curls, but it's long. I think I'll just put a clip from the first time I did it where it was hideous right here. So that is basically the full length. So it's, as I said earlier, this is 22 inches. This hair does shed when you comb it. I'm not going to lie to you guys, you're my people, I won't lie. This hair does shed, so keep that in mind. The shedding is not too crazy, but it's fake hair, so as you comb it, it's gonna shed. All right, this hair is soft, like it's not like butter soft, but it's soft. It actually does feel like a weave, kind of like Kinky Straight weave. That's how it feels. Do I have any negative thing about this hair? Not yet. I actually did not measure it to see if it was truly 22 inches. I usually do that, but I didn't do that this time. I totally forgot. Hopefully it's really 22 inches, because just be honest. So talking about how I hid the track that was showing in front, I have a different video on my YouTube channel that I show you guys a different way to do it. This way that I did it this time, for you to be able to twist the hair and take it around the front of your head, you obviously have to have the long clip-ins, right? So this was 22 inches and it just barely got to the back of my head. So if you have a shorter length hair, or a different hair in general that's just shorter and will not do that, or maybe the hair is too curly and you can't twist it, any of those things, I have a different video, as I said earlier, that I show you guys a different way that you can do it, and this will work for whatever hair texture, whatever length that you have. So I'm going to have it in the description box below. I'll have the link to the video in the description box below. You can click the I up here whenever you want and just go watch the video. It's a different clip-in video. So yes guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and of course watch my other videos, because you're just a nice person and you want to support me. I know you're nice. Anyways, thank you so much. Don't forget to comment as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.